Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new and fresh lecture of 1.5 The Necklace Part 1 English Workshop. So let's get started. English Workshop The Necklace. Question number first. Read each of the following sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. So first is, look here, something for you. Answer. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. B. Why the dress you go to the theatre in? Answer. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. C. I would rather not go to the party. Answer. Mathilde said to Mathilde's husband. So, question number D. Choose my dear. Answer. Madame Forestier said to Mathilde. E. You have nothing else? Answer. Mathilde said to Madame Forestier. F. Would you lend me this? Just this? Answer. Mathilde said to Madame Forestier. G. What? How? That's impossible. Answer. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. So हमारा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ख़त्म हुआ है. So third question. Write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamt out. Answer. Mathilde lived in a shabby, poorly furnished house. She had plain dresses and no jewels. As it was difficult to afford better things, she dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms for perfumed afternoon chats with close friends. She wanted to be invited and sought after. Question number 4. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. A. Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Answer. Mathilde thought to herself to be entitled to all the luxuries in life. As she was beautiful, these luxuries could be provided only by aristocrat. In my opinion, she could have tried to be happy with her life rather than going for materialistic pleasures. B. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxurious. Answer. Mathilde was always sad because he thought that she must be rich. She dreamed of mansions and vast rooms, balls and jewels, but did not have any of that. I think that Mathilde could have been happier if she focused on the positive things in her life, like a loving husband. C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer. Mathilde married a minor official of the Ministry of Education who could only afford a simple house. Since her expectations were high, she felt that the house was shabby and poorly furnished. According to me, Mathilde shouldn't have looked to her house this way. She could decorate her house with handmade objects to make it look more beautiful. D. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Answer. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her because she had a sense of being better than others. She wanted to have a luxurious and wanted to show off her positions to others. I think Mathilde should have wished to be respected instead of envied. E. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation because she did not have a good dress or beautiful and expensive ornaments to wear. She wanted to look good and hence she wanted distressed. According to me, Mathilde should have thought about how big a deal the invitation was for her loving husband. F. Mathilde wanted a dress for herself. Answer. Mathilde wanted to enjoy the party and hence she wanted to look pretty. She felt that should look plain in comparison to other women in the ball and so she wanted a new and beautiful dress. In my opinion, Mathilde could have bought a new dress, but it could have been less expensive. G. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Answer. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend because she did not have any jewelry to wear with her new dress. In my opinion, she could have just worn the dress. Since she was naturally beautiful, she did not need any jewel to enhance her beauty. H. Mathilde lost the necklace. Answer. Mathilde lost the necklace in the party or on the way back home. She was grand success at the party. No one looked as pretty and charming as her. But in the glory, she became careless and did not notice that her necklace was missing. I think Mathilde should have been more careful, especially since the necklace belonged to her friend. Fifth, prepare a formal invitation using the following format. तो हमें यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मेट दिया है, वो हमें कंप्लीट करना है. The answer, Mr. and Mrs. Rohan Patil request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of 25th anniversary of their wedding on Monday 10th August 2018. Venue, Balaji Hall, Ring Road, Pune. Time 9 p.m. onwards. The dress code for the evening is red for the ladies and black for the gentlemen. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.